Hello friends, Pia this side. Welcome to Objective-C tutorial. Well, today we are going to learn strings, how to use strings in Objective-C. Okay. Well, we know that we have two types of strings in Objective-C. One is mutable, another one is immutable. Immutable strings means we cannot change the strings or data in runtime, and we do not have to allocate a memory. And mutable strings means we have to allocate a memory and we can change the data also during the runtime. Okay. So, I will explain you through the code, you will get to know more and understand more about it. Well, you can see that I have already created a project, and you can see I have named as string over here. I have already shown you in my previous video how to create a project. Okay. So, we will directly go to the coding and we will see how it looks like. So, first we will go with immutable string. Okay. So, I will just make one comment, immutable string, to understand it. Okay. So, what we will do, we will create an object of string. So, NSString, we will create an object like str. Okay. And we will try to allocate a memory and we will see that how it reacts to us. Okay. So, what we have to write, NSstring allocate, alloc means allocation, init with string, init with string means initialization. Okay. We are initializing the string and we have to write one string over here. This is an Objective-C tutorial. Okay. And to print this, what we have to do? We have to use NSlog. So, NSlog have a format to write on it. Okay. And as it is a string, we have to use @ and then comma, you have to use an object, whatever object you have created. So, here whatever object you will create here, you have to give the same name here. So, we will see did we able to see the string or not. Okay. Let me run it. See, we are able to see this is an Objective-C tutorial, but we are getting a warning message here. What is that? Replace. So, it is telling that with a literal is a redundant. So, what it means that it is an immutable string. You cannot use it or you do not have to allocate a memory here. So, what we will do, we will just fix it out. Oh my god, see, it's just cut shorted, right? So, if you want to write immutable string, do not have to write n number of lines. So, you just define the string like this. Cool. But we cannot add any string in the runtime, but we can replace it. How? I will show you that. Str, we are writing an object because we have already created it. So, what you wanted to write here? This is a rainy day. Okay. Let's see what it's going to happen with first string. Oh my god, so my first string is replaced, right? So, this is an Objective-C tutorial, so the complete string is replaced with this string. Okay. So, immutable string, we understood it. What? That we do not have to allocate a memory and we cannot add the strings or we cannot do editing part in the runtime, but yes, we can replace the string. Now, we will go with the mutable string. So, we will just write here for your easiness. Okay. Then you can identify it later also if whenever you wanted to see the video. So, here we are using mutable, then we have to use NS mutable string, where it is. So, let me find out, here it is, and we will create an object strm. Okay. Now, here we have to create one memory. Without a memory you cannot allocate it. So, how it is? NS mutable string unalloc, allocation, initialization init with string. Here we'll give a string. This is a sunny day. Okay. And now what we have to do, we have to print it. To print, we will use NSlog at and percentage at to identifying the object, and this for the string. Okay. And then we will run it and we will see what we are getting it. And you can see I am getting both of the string. This is a rainy day and this is a sunny day. Now we know that in mutable we can add, we can delete, we can reuse, replace and everything. So let's try it. Okay. So first what we will do, we will just add the string. We have already created an object. We can use directly that object instead of the whole string. Okay. So what we will do, we will append. Append means what? Append means we sorry, not this one. Append means add a string. Okay, so we will use this one, append string. So here it is asking for a string only. So append means with this string we can add one more string. So today is my birthday. Okay, so I am writing today is my birthday, and let me run it once again and we'll see what is happening. See, this is a sunny day and today is my birthday, so I will give one full stop, oh sorry, not here, here, and a space so you can check it nicely. See, this is a sunny day and today is my birthday. Okay. Now what we have to do is, I wanted to insert one more string but as per the index value. So how? So same, we will use this one and we will do it insert string at index. So what index means, you know that index starts with the 0. So suppose in this string, this is a string, so T is a 0th index, first index is H, I will be second and S will be third. So if I wanted to put anything at first, at the beginning itself, how will I do it? So suppose I'm inserting one more string, okay, here itself, so at what I wanted to insert, okay, I like flowers. Okay, at where you wanted to put it, here. So this is I have already told you the 0th one, so 0 because I want it in the beginning. Okay, see, I like flowers. So if you want, you can give one full stop and space, and so that it will be looks good, little bit and aligned. So like this. See, I like flowers. This is a sunny day and this is my birthday. Cool. Now suppose you wanted to replace something. Okay, how will you do that? So strm replace. So I want replace character in range with string. Whenever ns range used to come, you should always make ns make range. Okay, ns make range, what it allow you to do? It allow you to enter your location, the length and the string what you want to exactly replaces. So suppose the first one is what? I, right? So I is the location of 0th location, the index location. What is the length of an I? Is 1 because it's only one character, and I will replace it with me, or yeah, okay, me. Okay, just for it, we'll see whether it is going to replace or not. So I should be replaced with me. I'll show you. See, me, there is no I here. Me like flowers. Okay. Now I delete it. I'll show you how to delete it also. So strm delete characters in range. Again, NS range came means we have to make NS make range. Here also you have to give the location and length. So what is the location is me, again it's in 0 location. So I'll give 0, and what is the length? It's me, it's 2 characters, so it will be 2. So me should be deleted here. So we'll see here. So you can see there is no me. Like flowers, this is a sunny day and today is my birthday. So this is how we can append, means add a string, insert a string at any index 0, 1, wherever you wanted. In index the space are also been counted, so always be cautious about that. We can replace the character strings where you can give the index, we can delete it at any index point. Okay, so this is about immutable and immutable string. If you have any doubt, please give me on comments, subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Bye bye.